4K 30 frames, no ND filter used. Hey, I'm Fish. I'm in the car, using a microphone. Not noisy, but you get the idea. Look at all those tires. Rather walking in there, let's zoom in there and take a look at the tires. Now I'm at the very inner side of the area. Could you tell a difference right now from before? That I'm walking out rather than zooming out. You can see the difference, how I was 12 times lossless to 1 times. My mic is off and it's behind the shirt due to the seat belt that can, lose a mic if the magnet's not strong enough. And like I said, it's not on. 5 seconds. The Insta360 Luna Ultra and the mic are hand in hand. So as we ride along, you can hear the wind blowing on the open window. Right. So we're all ready to go, get our stuff going. And 4K 30, the Insta360 Luna did a good job. Another car ride. I'll see you on another video. Can I film walking and 2 dogs? It's not that easy. It's difficult. You need to put auto tracking on. And then you're able to get 1 dog. Oh look, they got both dogs in there. And they got the tracking on both dogs. I missed it. Got some flowers and patience and some, what do we call those? Christmas flowers? What do we call these? Little snapdragons. And they got the bees that are just flying. I can't zoom in anymore. And these purple flowers. And we get right up close. Changed over to the lens. And they may not be in focus. And you're able to just zoom, zoom, zoom. And I like showing you what this camera is about, real. Get the idea how a camera works, as is, then seeing people cut, splice, add, and all the editing. You want to see the camera, how it's supposed to work. And then you can basically, do it 3 times, 6 times, 1 times, 2 times, then just, zooming in. Some people like fluid shots, some people don't. Well, I am the Fish.